parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU. The dog always find his way back home, and it's so true. Later on, fall through and pop one. You know the motto, smoke something, drink something, pop one.
Hello fellow enthusiasts, welcome to Mission Anveshak, where innovation meets exploration. Today we are excited to showcase our Rover prototype, which is a marvel of technology and design. I am Suhani, Pandey, your host for this journey, and I am joined by my talented teammates who made this possible.
Greetings everyone, I am Aarav, the design master for this Rover. While my teammates handled the tech side, I was responsible for the aesthetics of this Rover. This is a piece of art on a set of 6 wheels. We used MDF boards with the help of 3D printer.
Hey there, I am Ojas Jhawar, the tech guru of our team. My passion lies in the technological sector, and I have been responsible for integrating the electronic components in our Rover. We have 6-wheel Rover, and it is powered by 4 solar panels with lithium-ion battery. We have used 2 ESP8266 modules. One ESP8266 module is powering our L298 driver, which powers the 60 RPM motor. The second ESP8266 fetches the data of the 2 sensors we have got, MQ135 and DHT11. DHT11 sensor senses the data of temperature and humidity, where MQ135 senses air quality, PPM and all. We can see this data in the server that we made using TeleSpeak.
As we wrap up this show, our team would like to express gratitude for joining us on this journey. Our team, Mission Anveshak, envisions a future where technology and design converges to push the boundaries of exploration. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, keep exploring beyond.